One of the best catches in Leatherman's new lineup is the Charge TI. Lightweight, heavy-duty titanium handles help you get a grip on the TI. Bronze bushings allow the Charge TI's exterior blades to open smoothly and quickly. No skips or jumps along the way. All blades lock into place, and the knives have extra-large thumb holes to open with one-handed ease. This blade is made from premium stainless steel, a material called 154 cm, and it's the largest knife blade ever manufactured in a 4-inch multi-tool. It holds its edge 3 times better than regular stainless steel knives. The Charge TI has a powerful new jaw design with bigger wire cutters that let you cut even hardened fishing hooks. This would damage most tools, but not a Leatherman. The TI scissors are strong and sharp enough to cut seat belts, zip ties, leather, and definitely fishing line. The Leatherman Charge, ready for anything because it comes with everything.